We're not sure what he's mixed with, but
Yeah.
it's definitely, you know, dominantly lab.
He's cute.
He has so much energy, it's crazy.
Maybe chow or something. He's got the chow
I thought that.
Yeah, we've heard that before.
Yeah, my
He has that
last
tongue,
dog- my
like
last
kind of a
dog
black
was
tongue.
Retriever chow mix. The black tongue and the tail like this.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, maybe that's what I'll just start saying.
I mean, that's a good combination. My last dog was awesome. This one is like the most domestic thing you've ever seen. He sleeps upside down with his legs straight up. I mean, he's like not scared.
Yeah, that sounds
There's
awesome.
like- yeah, there's no fear at all. But
It
then
has
you-
a ton of energy too.
yeah,
That's
but you take him camping, and then it's like he's terrified.
oh
As soon
really?
as the sun goes down, he's terrified. It's not like a real dog.
Nah. Everyone has their quirks.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good. Good boy. Go get it.
Hey, Griffin. Hey. Good job.
Go play. Go on. I think we gotta throw something. We throw a pretend snowball.
Snowballs are everywhere, guys. Go get it. Unlimited supply. You're never gonna fail on retriever.
They're like, I'm so confused. Where are they going?
Snowball. It disappeared. Ready, Joe?
Do you approve?
I approve.
Awesome.